Hello friends, we are nearing the end of the financial year and I would like to discuss a few GST compliances which we need to make sure that we do it before we approach the end of the year. Kindly make sure that you file all your pending returns from April till this year and reconcile your outward liabilities that you have reported in GSTR 1 vis-a-vis the one reported in GSTR 3B and that appearing in your books of accounts. And any discrepancy which you find are reported respectively in GSTR 1 and 3B. Also make sure that if any disposal of fixed assets has occurred during the financial year, the output liability of GST is paid and reported duly in GSTR 3B and 1 respectively. Kindly make sure that in the ITC eligible to you is recorded correctly in your GSTR 3B and matching with GSTR 2A, 2B and your books of account, and give the impact of any discrepancies that you have noticed in the relevant 3B. Also make sure that the ITC which is not appearing in your 2B, follow up with the vendor so that the rectifications can be done on a timely manner. Make sure that if any inward supplies have been availed on which RCM is applicable, the output RCM and the eligible ITC is availed during financial year itself. Any rectification which we need to do for the financial year, kindly make sure that that is done so that there will be as much less transactions to be reconciled and as much less reporting required to be made in GSTR 9 in table 10, 11, 12 and 13. In case you wish to make any outward supply with zero rate of tax for the next financial year, kindly make sure you apply for LUT. Also, if you are eligible and want to apply for composition scheme, make an application on or before 31st March for this year. Check the status of input goods or capital goods which you might have sent to your job worker, and in case the time limit for 1 and 3 years respectively has been exceeded, make the adjustments in your next return. Also make sure the status of goods which have been sent on approval. Make sure that the e-way bill data is matching with the GSTR 1 for this financial year. Also that you need to reconcile that the e-invoicing, if it is applicable to you, data is matching with GSTR 1 vis-a-vis the invoices, debit note, credit note and export invoices. If e-invoicing was not applicable in the current financial year and your turnover limit is exceeding for the current financial year, make sure that you are ready for e-invoicing from 1st April onwards. These are the few care points that you need to take care before the end of the financial year for GST compliances. For more details, please click on the link in the description.